Welcome to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we're diving into a super critical and rapidly evolving sector, healthcare software development, specifically focusing on the vibrant hub of Chicago.
That's right, Jamie. Chicago has really emerged as a powerhouse for health tech talent, sitting at the crossroads of world-class hospital systems and a deep engineering bench. You see venture capital pouring into digital health startups, and a huge percentage of hospitals in the area are already using some form of telemedicine.
It sounds like a perfect storm for innovation, but here's the kicker. The article we're discussing today points out that most healthcare software projects still fail, and it's not usually because of bad ideas.
Exactly. It's often because of the wrong development partner, a missed HIPAA control, a botched EHR integration, or even just a UI that clinicians abandon after day 2 can sink a product faster than any competitor.
That's a huge point. It's not just about writing code, it's about navigating a highly regulated and sensitive environment. The article really emphasizes that a strong healthcare development partner doesn't just code. They build scalable architecture designed for protected health information from day 1. They manage the complexity of integrating with systems like Epic or Cerner and ensure security audits pass without last-minute panic.
Absolutely. And they stay engaged after launch because healthcare software never stops evolving. The regulatory muscle, the clinical domain knowledge, these are non-negotiables. The article evaluated companies based on healthcare-specific experience, regulatory knowledge like HIPAA, HITRUST, GDPR, FDA, technical depth, and proven client outcomes.
It's fascinating. The guide breaks down 10 companies in the Chicago area with serious credentials. For example, Glorium Technologies, while based in New Jersey, has global delivery and stands out for full-cycle healthcare software development with ISO 13485 certification for medical device software, plus AI diagnostics.
Yes, Glorium is a prime example of a firm with a comprehensive regulatory stack, from HIPAA to ISO 13485 for medical device software, which is a big deal. They've delivered over 150 products globally with a 99% client satisfaction rate. That's a serious track record.
Then you have companies like TXI, based right in Chicago, which focuses on design-led digital health products with deep UX research. That's crucial because if the software isn't intuitive for clinicians or patients, it won't be adopted, no matter how good the tech is.
I totally agree. User experience is paramount, especially in healthcare where stress levels can be high. And for those looking at cutting-edge AI, Productive Edge in Chicago is highlighted for AI-driven healthcare transformation for payers and providers, deploying embedded teams to move from AI concept to production in weeks.
That's a game changer for large health systems. And for a very specific, highly regulated niche, CieloWorks, also in the Chicago Metro, specializes in FDA-regulated medical device software, known as SAMD. They guide clients through the entire 510(k) clearance process. That's a whole different level of complexity.
It really highlights the diversity of needs within health tech, from mobile apps for mid-size organizations like Slingshot to EHR integrations and clinical analytics dashboards by Excelicor. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation.
So for our listeners, how do you pick the right partner? The article suggests matching your project's specific regulatory and clinical complexity to each firm's verified capabilities. Don't just look at their tech stack. Ask the hard questions about compliance frameworks before signing anything.
That's excellent advice, Jamie. The right partner truly matters more than just the right tech stack in this space. It's about building a foundation of trust, security, and deep industry understanding.
Couldn't have said it better myself. It's a critical decision that can make or break a digital health product.
Fantastic insights today, Jamie. That's all the time we have for this episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.